walking the dogs this early morning. Brrr. 8 degrees out, but beautiful. Frost on all the trees. Feisty dogs. Nice, baby. Good girls. Come on. Be good girls. Yep, doing our business. Oops. Hey, Rosie Ozio. Baby. And Ice. And Birdie girl. Birdie. Baby. Ooh, they want to play. And Sweetie. Get off. Come on, be good girls. Come on. Be good girls. Hurry up. I think that I have a treat for them. Just they get when they go in. Isn't it gorgeous here? Oh, I love it. So cold though today. Too cold to stay out. Love to look at them run through the snow. They're beautiful.